The origins of poker. Greetings, poker aficionados and history enthusiasts. Welcome to Historical Horizons. Today, we're delving into the enthralling tale of one of the world's most beloved card games, poker. This game of strategy, skill, and a fair share of luck has an intriguing origin story that spans continents and centuries. So, join me on this deep dive into the origins of poker. Poker, with its suspenseful showdowns and strategic bets, has a history as rich and diverse as the hands dealt in a high-stakes game. To understand the origins of poker, we must rewind the clock and explore the cultural crossroads that gave rise to this captivating card game. Our journey begins in the salons of Renaissance Europe, where the seeds of poker were sown in games like poke in France and primero in Spain. These early European card games involved elements of betting, bluffing, and hand rankings, the rudimentary elements that would later define poker. Fast forward to the 19th century, where the game began to take a distinctive shape on the banks of the Mississippi River in the United States. As pioneers and settlers sought their fortunes in the expanding West, so did the popularity of poker. The merging of European card traditions with the American frontier spirit laid the foundation for the game's evolution. The first written accounts of poker come from the 1830s, with an English actor named Joseph Kroll documenting a game called poke being played on a Mississippi riverboat. This marked one of the earliest instances where the term poker was used to describe the game, highlighting its emergence in the American lexicon. As the United States expanded westward and the gold rush lured fortune seekers, poker found a permanent place in saloons and gambling halls. Regional variations emerged, contributing to the diverse landscape of poker. The game became ingrained in American culture, reflecting the spirit of risk and reward that defined the era. The 20th century witnessed the formalization of poker rules, the introduction of community card games like Texas Holdem, and the emergence of poker as a competitive sport. The World Series of Poker, inaugurated in 1970, was a watershed moment, attracting the best players and elevating poker to international acclaim. From its American roots, poker spread globally, adapting and evolving in different cultures. Each region added its own twist, resulting in variations like Palygao poker in China and Caribbean stud poker in the Caribbean. The global poker community continues to thrive, connecting players from diverse backgrounds through a shared love for the game. In the 21st century, poker transcended physical tables and decks of cards. The digital revolution brought poker to online platforms, allowing players from around the world to compete and collaborate in virtual spaces. The accessibility and widespread popularity of online poker further fueled its global appeal. As we conclude our expedition into the origins of poker, we stand at the intersection of history and entertainment. Poker is more than a card game. It's a cultural phenomenon that has woven itself into the fabric of societies worldwide. So, the next time you're holding a hand of cards, remember the centuries of history and strategy that brought this game to your fingertips. If you found this journey through poker's past as captivating as I did, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more explorations into the world of games and history, and ring that notification bell to stay informed. Until our next shuffle, this is Historical Horizons, signing off. Keep playing, keep strategizing, and may your bluffs always be successful.